This is my old bathroom motor, the exhaust motor, which is got bad, and I'm trying to replace it. The problem is you can't get. I couldn't get the same, exactly same size or the same model. So what I found a similar motor, but the fixture, this plate is different. Look, this is a little bigger than the other one. So what I want to do, I want to take this plate, I want to use this plate and put the new motor into this. But before you get it, you have to make sure, see these two holes right here, these two holes has to be exactly same. Just take this one and just go like this. If it lines up perfectly, that's mean you can actually replace it and use it on your old plate. So it's easy. You just pull this one, but grab it from here. Don't grab it from this side, you might break it. When you press it, you just grab and pull. See, it came off. Be careful, I almost knocked my phone down. So it came off. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this plate, just this plate. So you gotta take this two screw out from here. Just pull it out. This is a junk. Doesn't work, so I'm gonna throw these out. This is the new motor. I took it out already. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna place it here. See, it fits. That's what you gotta make sure, you have the same length. These two volt or screw, whatever you call that, has to line up. Just gonna put them on. Because I was trying to get it online to get the same model, but no one has it. So I'm gonna use the old plate and put the new motor here. Okay. This is simple actually. Now I gotta put this the fan. Look at the fan. Also, even the fan is same. If you can't find the same fan, I mean same size of the fan, you just use the old one, but I'm gonna use the new one since it's the same size. Just push it till you see this little tip right here. So I'm gonna check if it works. Voila, it's working. Okay, that's good.